now 4 weeks later, we have got great storage for this laundry room, and Tom, it looks like some of it has already been installed.
Yeah, we installed some upper cabinets here over the owner's old appliances. Now these appliances were down in the mudroom, but
Right.
now they're up in this laundry room right opposite the bedrooms.
Which is where all the laundry is actually going to happen.
Exactly. Now this is a tight spot, but we still managed to get cabinets up there for all the detergents and little things that they wanted to get out of sight. But we have a little more room on the other side to put a small lower cabinet. And we're going to put one upper over here.
So this is fixed in place already? Is this one ready to go in?
That's ready to go in. If you want to pass that to me, we can screw it up to the wall. I got a couple of spacers here to hold it level and even.
All right, you want me to push it all the way left to that wall?
Yep, right up tight to the wall and right on my blocks.
All right, you sit right there.
So now I already pre-drilled my holes into the studs. A couple of screws up top. Again, into the structure. No matter how big or small a cabinet, you want to make sure it's screwed to something in the wall there. Don't want to. Yeah, that's not going anyway. Beautiful.
All right.
All right, now I want just to attach a filler strip right to the top because we're going to close this in with a soffit.
So this is just blocking, Tommy, to hold the trim.
Yep, just to nail it, hold it up to the ceiling.
Glue really sets up fast.
Right, yeah. Because there's no water in this countertop, we're going to use a piece of MDF for the backsplash and we're going to glue it to the wall. All right, the next thing is we're going to put our countertop down. A couple of dabs of caulking right here. That's enough. You ready? This is heavy.
Got a nice piece of marble
You're
here.
gonna go in first. This is a remnant that our stone guy gave us, so we'll just slide this in place. As far as you can go to the wall where I can get my hand out.
Okay. Just push it back.
Push it right in there.
Come to you just
All right.
a touch.
That's it.
That looks terrific. Yeah, that's a nice, affordable way to dress up a laundry room.
Yeah, and a lot of storage for a little space.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.